When she said call your homeboy you were with last night.
Cmr knows him can't call my phone. Cmr cannot call my phone.
Yeah. Go on mute ya, go on. Ease yourself, just keep it calm, mute ya star. Only put pressure in my corner. One time it hard for carry on. Me no need no girl for turn to, no man for talk to. Feelings hurt on the journey so far. Show me know me, we go do things and nobody argue. Me like go the loose and start hold me harder.
Wagwan Success family, hope everyone doing alright. If you're new to the channel, welcome and make sure to subscribe to get all the videos. Like this video so we can continue to drop more contents like this, contents that you enjoy listening. Alright, so today I want to talk about popular vlogger Cmr exposed for cheating on his wife. It not look good because we all know Cmr is a family man, love him wife and kids and provide for him family like a true man should. So when we see a female come out and really expose him like this because of a mistake that never worth it can ruin his life. For a girl that is troubled with mental issues, well them say God put the best front on you mad girl them. No more chatting, check out the video.
Can't hear the pain in my voice. And we make the fucking video and this youth see the fucking video. Him contact me on fucking Instagram. Me get to come to Florida now. Him spot me or whatever, and you know how man is. When man not interested, them get what they want and then they move on to the next victim. You understand? So basically as something like that happen, me not blame him because me never want him. Him look good, him smell good, and them something there. But him not all that, you know? Him not all that. How people make it look say, oh, him all that. And first of all, him would not have, him would even big at this point. So like,
why the blood clot this? How why the blood clot this?
And take the bank card all time, wallet and give it to me. This is the bank card. In first name, in middle initial, everything the funny. And I didn't thief the bank card. He gave it to me. Weird. So when you come from, you need to get on the receipts. You need to come straight because that nigga is so discreet. People don't really in him kinda like that for the round him. When would I get the link for the round him for go in him for go access in a film wallet and take him backyard? Oh the fuck? The nigga actually gave me the bank card, so when you come and say him say me thief in bank card. Cmr knows him can't call my phone. Cmr cannot call my phone because the first thing, listen, me not block him, but him just cannot call me. And if he do call me, me just not go fucking answer. Him know what him do, him conscience must have bother him. Him know what him do, him a big man. Him a big man, me just a start like, me not really know nothing about, you know, me not grow up on the street like that. You understand? But him know what him do and him know. In a film head him fucking know what him do, you understand? So I don't need to come here to come explain nothing to nobody. Cause him can't call my phone. Cause if him call me not go answer. Cause why more call me and say, you really go live and tell people my business like and that him more call me and say why could I possibly have to say it to me? Why could I possibly have to say to me like, and why would I want to hear what I'm have to say? Like this nigga done help to fuck me up more mental, like me they been have mental issues and he make it worse. So at this time, like listen, me really and truly, let me tell you guys something. I have depression, right? I've been traveling with the depression for a while. For years, I have depression. I'm a victim of rape. I get raped already. Friends set me up. I have PTSD. I have all of that. All of the mental illness, I have them.
What a mad bumbuckler girl doing? Hey, girl, you're a mad girl. Remember me tell you.
Alright, so that was the video because she even make you know say yo she have access to his bank card because he gave it to her, so she was being taken care of. You see me? But we're not gonna there so and presume or assume anything or even share your opinion too tough until Cmr come and address this issue. You see me? Because we want to make sure so yo we are say the right thing and we're not being led astray by one side of the story. You see me? Because we do not want to form an opinion that is misinformed. So we don't want to form an opinion based on misinformed information on one side of the story. Alright, so another thing we have to talk about is Skeng, you see me? And we all know Skeng is a gangster, but at the same time Skeng is a family man and he's playing that role in his family life because well of you see when father really play them part and serious about them youth and serious about the nuclear family. You see me? Too often we see youth grow without father because the fathers are not present. So check out them picture here with Skeng and him family. Yeah man, the ratty boss that, and we see Skeng I go appear in a Nicki Minaj Red Ruby the Sleaze music video, and we're definitely looking forward for your next collab between Skeng and Nicki Minaj. You see me? Alright, if you make it to the end of this video, thanks for the likes, thanks for the subscribe, thanks for the views, thanks for the comments. As always, I'm out.